Here's what we've been up to. There's the ducks. There's Bella. There's our royal palms. Runner ducks. There's Phil's Diller right there. And we have a Don King over there too. See that far, the gray one? The grayish black. That's Don. We call him Don King in Phillips. They got a lot of hair on top. There's my Kayungas. These guys are new. Those are swan geese. Those are swan geese. There's a pair. And we have an American buff, which is that little girl right there. The buff colored one on the other side of the swan goose. She's laying eggs over here. I'm gonna come over and see if she's got any more for me. Look at there, she does. She's got eggs for us. We're just gonna take the cleanest egg and leave these two in there because it makes them lay more. If you take the one, then I'll put this. We're going to put these in with the Dorking chickens because we got 3 of them that will sit on eggs. That way we have some baby goose coming out, or geese coming out. We'll see. Let's see. Then we got this going on over here. Look at all them ducks. They just think corn's they think the corn's just it. Here they are. And over here, we've got the guinea. We're going to enlarge this area. They should be starting to lay here before long. We got lavenders and we got brown ones, so we want to separate them eventually, but right now they're together. And here we got Peacock. See if we'll get him to show off for us. Show us what you got, guy. Of course, the ones with the pretty tails are always males, and the females over there have the short tails. But these guys are only 2 years old, so when although they fan out, they're not going to be as full as some of them that you see. Over there in the far corner is mandarin ducks. See those guys right there? Way over there? Those are little mandarin ducks. They're little bitty things, but they're expensive little things. There's a male, that one that's showing off his colors. He snorts like a pig. I never heard a duck do that. He does, he snorts like a little pig. The colored one way over there. See if we can walk over here and get some better pictures. Well, I might be able to go through here and do the peacock cage and see if we can get some better pictures of these mandarins. Hang on a minute, Bella. You stay there. You stay right there. Bella wants to come help all the time. Look at these guys. Oh, you're okay. You're okay. See in there is the... These guys are mandarin ducks. See that real pretty one right there? He's the male. The other 3 are females. They're pretty cool little ducks. He's beautiful. And then over there, in the other cage we got pheasants. Let me walk over there and see if we can. I wish I could look out here and just see some eggs one day, but it hasn't happened yet. These guys are still young. They're only about 5 months old. I don't know how old they're gotta be to start laying, but hopefully they will before long. A lot of people think those guineas are chickens. They're not. They're not a chicken at all. But I don't know what. I want to see how much food they got. They're pretty good. Way over there are the dewlaps. You can't see them real good, but they're way over there on the other side of the fence, and they'll be over here shortly because they want some of this grain. Let's come over here. You guys are fine. You're fine. I'm gonna look right here and see if we got any eggs right here. Nope. These guys are pheasants. They like to hide. You can see him. And he's beautiful. See if I can get a better picture of him. If I go in there, he'll run and hide. So, see him? He's going to hide. That's the female. Those are lady something pheasants. And they're pretty. We're hoping to get some babies. We had babies before and they died. I don't know what the deal was. Okay. There's Heidi and Trixie over there. That's a helicopter flying over. Hi, Trixie. Hi, can you say hey? That's their little spot. My other cam is over there in that little pond right there. I don't know if you can see on the other side of the goats. I don't think you can see from way over here, but there's an area on the other side of the goats. It's got a little pond that's fenced in, and the Kayungas and a couple of the runner ducks are taking a liking to go over there, but we don't want them over there. We want them over here because it is breeding season and we want them to be separated and breed together instead of, it's separate. We want Kayungas with Kayungas and runners with runners, and right now they're kind of, we don't want a Heinz 57 duck. We want pure breed. So. And we want to be able to collect the eggs, and over there they're going to hide them. So, and it's brushy, it's hard to walk through. And we'll be good to go. Both Heidi and Trixie. Trixie's expecting her kids in June. And Heidi, we don't know if she took or not. If she took, she should be due about June 1st of July, which is kind of late, but I was wanting to wait. But if she's not bred, I'm not going to breed her till November. Heidi would be her first year kidding, and she was flirting with the buck, but she didn't seem to be interested in breeding. But her belly looks like she might be bred. I'm not sure. We'll see. And Trixie's definitely bred, and she's done this before. This will be her third kidding. And Heidi's first. So that'll be exciting. Heidi's a little brat though, I tell you, she still tries to butt me and stuff, and Karen can rile her up and not have any problems with her, but I can go in there and she'll try to pull stuff on me, but I can't have her doing that. I gotta get her to stop it. We got to be able to work with the animals we got. So Yeah, Trixie's bred. See her udders? She's bred, and she's gonna be due here before long. Well, it'll be a few months, but you can tell she's bred. The other geese haven't made their way towards over here.